So continue. If he becomes drunk before common people, he desecrates God's name. So we're talking about Torah scholar. That's how wrong is. So basically, he would lose the whole respect, right? Note that the Rambam remarks in Hilchot some 125:4, where it says, when a person is given position of authority over the community, most certainly he is forbidden to eat and drink and become drunk in the public and in a gathering of ignorant or at a repast of his friends. So meaning he's in such a position, so the position of authority, so people must respect him, right? Woe to those judges who act with such an affront to the Torah of Moshe, who disgrace its laws and reduce it to the earth, bring it down to the dust, and cause evil to themselves. In their desecration in this world and the next. So I would add. So it's not only like strange people in your community, ignorant people, even in front of your wife. So you want your wife to respect you, right? To respect you. So next time she has a question, she's not going to go to Google, right? She's not going to go to Rabbi. She's going to go to you because out of respect. Because my husband always knows how to control himself. He's a respectful man, right? So that's our children. So it's very important that not only like these strange people to your life, but also your family, how they see you. Most commentaries cite Pesachim 49a as a source for Rambam's statement that the passage, however, does not mention intoxication. Okay. In Zohar, volume page 110a, specifically associate drunkenness with the desecration of God's name. So, I mean, of course, we didn't think that Rambam would make it up, right? Okay, so there is a source. So drunkenness, especially this respectable person associated with desecration of Torah, God's name. And me personally, that's unfortunately I was witness to when a few times in my life I went to the communal, let's put it this way, Purim party, right? And these rabbis of the community, they drank too much. And the guy was crying, and the guy was laughing, and I saw this poor wife and this rabbi. She was so embarrassed, and he was making fool of himself, and everybody was laughing. Everybody would have a good time, and he would behave in more with like lightheadedness. It was so embarrassing. So like next time this guy, this rabbi would say, no, Halachah is like this, and he would bang at the test. What are you talking? I saw you vomiting in a restaurant, right? Stop it. So that's not good. Unfortunately, I saw it, and I don't know. Even there it says you have to drink on Purim. So drink as one of the most common opinion. Just drink a little extra. So for example, for me, I drink a cup of glass. So I drink a little more. That's it. That's considered to be drinking. Okay, it is forbidden to drink even small quantity of wine in afternoon hours. So let's see why. 49 commentary. Hilchot Tefillah 4:17, which contains that revi'is between 3 and 5 ounces. So actually, we learn we say 3.2 and 5.3, 5.3 or 5.4. It's Chazanish, right? Of wine. Is slightly intoxicating. So that's our kiddush, right? That's what we the size of our kiddush cup. So and they say that when a person drinks, so he should drink most of the cup. So most of the cup, slightly intoxicating. Since our wines are considerably weaker than those of Rambam's time, it is questionable whether the measure would apply today. Okay, so of course we know that our wines are weaker, and And how do you know? So we pay so much money for the wine, you think you're getting good stuff. And so you talk to the manufacturer, you call you and you say, I bought this in this wine. How much water can I add to the wine? So they say, we're going to get back to you. And they say 25%. So meaning that the most of this wine is not wine, it's water. So if you add them more than 25% in some wine, so it's not considered wine any longer. You cannot say Bareplika Geffen. It's like Shechachol. Right? So but even that is strong for us. So okay, let's try to finish up. In afternoon hours, commentary number 40. Hours 313 mentioned wine that is drunken in the afternoon as one of the 4 things which remove person from this world. No more, no less. That's how bad it is that drink wine in the afternoon. And in Avos, the Rabbi Natan, chapter 21 explains that drinking wine in the afternoon causes person to negate the entire Torah. That's it. I mean, he's in a good mood. He has this idea, that idea, so he's not going to learn Torah. That's what I do. So it's not on the highest level of the mitzvah, but that's what I do. For example, on the Shabbos day, we don't drink wine for kiddush. We did drink grape juice. It's proper to drink wine, but because I know myself, I'm so tired, I'm going to pass out when I need to learn. That's not a good idea. So it's like a waste. Like I try to concentrate. Well, like when you drink just a little more, and I cannot concentrate. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. So what use this wine was for, right? Okay, so they say unless it's taken together with food. But as we said, if person is tired, if he's weak and he's sick and stuff like that, so this food does not help him much. Drink that is taken together with food is not intoxicating. Okay, 41. The same to the same degree as wine that is drunk without food. Like so some people just like to drink wine. Okay. See Rambam's commentary to the Mishnah Pesachim 10:6. Okay. Only wine that is taken after the meal is to be avoided. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's to no advantage to his digestive system. I'm not sure. Maybe that's what is going to make him drunk. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's check time 1 second. I think we can stop here. So we got up to next halachah, and it's very long, so we'll leave it for the next time. Any questions or comments? Please.
So far, so good.
Yeah, go ahead.
No,
Israel, go ahead.
okay, so basically in all these halachot, we were discussing about not letting anyone see us eating in public. Is that okay?
Yes, correct.
And I wrote down the question. The second question is this relevant mainly for life in exile or life in Israel?
No, it's everywhere. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter who sees you, Jews or non-Jews. Doesn't make any difference.
Okay, so to finish this with a commentary, here in my city in Argentina, marketplace are strictly forbidden to eat inside. So I cannot.
Everybody eats outside.
Inside the marketplace, you are not allowed to eat. There are warnings.
Exactly, but that's for the non-Jews. They can do whatever they want. I mean, this books is for us not to be like that. We have to be light to the nations. To be light to the nations, we have to be different from the darkness, what they represent. You understand? Whatever they do, it's many things. It's simply not acceptable. Even if it is there is no problem for them. Even though there is no problem for them to do that, but for us it's a big issue.